Hey, what's up everybody? Jamison, Johnson, Athens Ford. Welcome back to the Ride with JJ and Athens Ford YouTube channel. So today we're checking out the awesome, very, I think, underrated SUV from Ford. We're checking out the all-new 2021 Explorer ST. So this isn't going to be your typical third-row SUV, grocery getter, family hauler. This thing is absolutely packed with insane power, horsepower and torque. It's rated at 400 horse, 415 pound-feet of torque. Top speed is rated at 143 miles per hour. Now, we're not going to be doing that in the video today, but I am driving it in both the sport and the manual mode with the paddle shifters active. So you can kind of hear in the background there, I'm hanging in fourth right now. But just an awesome SUV, good power. I'm sure you guys can probably hear it here. I'm going to give you a quick downshift and do a little pull. So that was a third gear through fifth gear pull, just absolutely insane. Price point wise, these are going to start usually in about the upper 50s, right around 60K range, but my opinion, they're absolutely worth it if you compare it performance wise to other vehicles on the market with similar size and similar options that this one has to offer. 3-liter V6 EcoBoost platform engine, that's how we're getting the power out of it. On the inside, it's still going to be loaded with nice creature comfort, so this isn't just going to be your family race car. If you want to drive it normally and just relax, you can. You've got leather trimmed seats all throughout, leather wrapped steering wheel. I love the steering wheel as well. It's going to be nice curves to it, very tuned as far as like for a performance vehicle. So wherever you put your hands, it's definitely going to be grip worthy and comfortable to you there, no matter your driving position. Again, paddle shifters right behind the steering wheel as well. This one's going to be a 7-speed on the transmission there. So speaking of drive modes as well, this one is the intelligent all-wheel drive with the sport tuned suspension. So we've got different drive mode settings. You can just do it with a twist right down here. So you'll have your typical normal, eco, sport mode. There's a tow mode, and then if you're doing any type of off-roading or climate driving, there's also going to be a slippery mode, a trail, and a deep snow sand mode. So you can take this vehicle anywhere. It's going to handle the terrain and whatever you have to throw at it. With it being the intelligent all-wheel drive, basically the vehicle is going to react and send the torque to each tire as it needs. So you don't have to flip it into like a special all-wheel drive mode, or 4x4 is going to do everything by itself, depending on which drive mode that you're in. But again, very capable to handle anything that you throw at it. You're going to have safety features that are packed in here as well. So blind spot assistance, lane keeping assistance, pre-collision warning with automatic emergency braking, lane keeping, and lots of different cameras as well. So you're going to have the front view camera, obviously backup camera, all that stuff is standard. With the camera system on here too, you're going to get the 360 bird's eye view. So that image is put together with cameras on the side mirrors underneath the bottom as well. So really good and very easy as far as parking and whatnot. And then if you do need assistance on the parking side, this one's going to have the active park assist 2.0 feature. So very easy to use. There's going to be a button right down here where you change the drive modes. You'll see a P with a steering wheel on it. You push that and that'll toggle through both parallel and perpendicular parking. So depending on your area where you live, if you need assistance with like here, for example, in Athens, we have a downtown area where there's still some parallel parking spots. So with that feature, you just push it, pull up, and then in short, the vehicle is going to park itself. It'll parallel park all by itself. And same thing with perpendicular. So very, very cool feature there. And on the tech side from Ford. Again, overall, very impressed with this vehicle. It's going to be the one if you like speed, if you've got a family, or even if it's just you, it's all in one. So you've got the third row. Of course, you can fold it down if you need the additional cargo space in the backside there. All of the Explorers now come standard with bucket seats. So a few years back on the 19 and older models, the bucket seats were an option and they all come standard with the bench. So 2020, they flipped that. So now all of them come standard with buckets. and the bench is optional. So this one is going to hold up to 6 people all throughout, so a 222 seat pattern. The twin panel moonroof on these is optional for you, and you've also got the optional street package that this one has. So the street package is going to feature 21-inch wheel. It's going to be a gloss black rim finish on it, and then this one's paired up with Pirelli all-season tires, so it's going to give you a nice, good grip on the road. And like I said, it has a sport tuned suspension, so if you're going through curves, you've got both the tires and your different drive modes that are going to help keep you stabilized while you're driving. Other creature comforts all throughout, you have the new 10.1-inch vertical touchscreen right here. Everything is integrated, so your backup camera, your Bluetooth, your navigation. You can make all of your adjustments for the driver assistance all through the touchscreen now. So you've also got multi-contour seats, which in short are massaging seats on the Ford Explorer ST. So very comfortable vehicle, very performance driven. Overall, it's one of my favorite vehicles that Ford makes. If you'd like more information on the Ford Explorer ST, just reach out to us. I'm at Athens Ford. We're in Athens, Georgia. You can check us out online, athensford.com, and we are home of the lifetime powertrain warranty as well. So thank you again for watching with me and riding with me today, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Take care.